How to deposit check on Truist Bank. Hello everyone, welcome back into my channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can deposit check on Truist Bank. Well, the process is pretty simple and easy, so let me guide you through this video. In order to deposit check on Truist Bank, you can simply get the Truist mobile application. So you can head either into the browser and looking for the option, or the easier way is to simply head into Truist. Head into your Play Store, get the Truist Bank app. If you already have the app, you can simply go ahead and open it up. Now, unfortunately, in my region, the application itself is not available, but you should be able to get the application. Simply open it up, log into your online banking account. Then what you can do is you'll find the option to deposit check right on the home screen. So once you do so, you have to give access to camera and then take photos of a check using the mobile app's camera. Or you can do it directly through the app, then deposit check, and you can save time this way by avoiding trips to the ATM or branch. This is how you can add check or deposit check on Truist Bank app. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave comments down below if you have any further issues.